What about you? This one thing took my business from being average to up to the next level. And today I'm going to show you how you can turbocharge your business with the secret weapon that I use. Now, before we start into this video is being supported by Jobber, but more on that later.
That lawn's a mess. It's full of weeds, dandelions, clover. I really don't know what to do with it.
When a customer requests a quote on my website, that is the start of the journey. Now, Jobber is software that I've used to run my own business for the last 9 to 10 years, and it'll take your service from here to here. What Jobber does, whenever somebody fills in that request a quote feature, I'll capture all the usual information such as their name, address, and email, but I'll also ask them additional information like where they found me, so as if I know my marketing is working for me, and I'll ask them for additional information about the job, so as I know what I'm going to be contacting them about before I pick up the phone to call them. Now, by the way, that form, you don't have to put it on your website. You can put it on your socials and everywhere else. When a customer requests a quote, they get an instant email outlining exactly what they expect from my services, and it also lets them know that the request has been received. Whenever I get a notification on my phone that a new customer has requested a quote, I can log on really quickly and see all about the request. If they're not a good fit for me, generally I'll send them a text message directly from the app, letting them know that they're not a good fit. If they are a good fit, very simple, I can pick up the phone at any time I want and give them a call and book them in. And something that I really love about Jobber is you can send reminders the night before, so as people are always going to be there whenever you call. When I arrive, it's not just about doing the job, it's about building trust, and that's where the client portal comes in. The client portal is basically your client's personalised hub. They can view quotes, approve work, and even pay invoices, all in one convenient location. I can even send on my way text messages directly from the app, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, so as to know exactly when to expect me.
Hello, yes.
Good morning, I'm Robbie from Premier Lawns, and I'm here to do a free lawn survey.
All right, lovely. Do you want to come through?
Now that I've assessed the lawn, I'm going to send the customer a quote. Generally, if I was standing talking to a customer, I'd ask them how they want to get their quote, because you can text a quote as well as email it to the customer. The beauty with Jobber is you can add on optional items that people can click if they want to upgrade. On this occasion, we're going to be doing some aeration and a feed. Not every customer wants the cores lifted off the lawn, so I'm going to put that down as an optional item, and they can choose if they want to upgrade to that service or not.
Oh, there's my quote through from Premier Lawns. That's a really good price. I think I'll go with that. And I can approve that today online, and that's it all sorted. Nothing more to worry about. Oh, a reminder. I've just got a reminder the workmen are coming tomorrow to do my lawn. That's wonderful. I wish other workmen would do that.
I'm going to see where my next job is today. And link straight to my maps so I know where I'm going.
What I want to talk to you about is scheduling. Any busy business owner will tell you that scheduling can be really tricky, especially whenever you're trying to run multiple teams. So we're here today to do the first renovation bit, and then we'll be coming back to do additional lawn treatments. We can set that up to come a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 10 weeks, as often as you want. However, Doing lawn care, often the weather doesn't play ball and we have to change times around. Within the system, we can drag and drop and pull jobs to different times and days and dates with little to no effort. Another feature that I really love about Jobber is the reminders, but it's not the reminders that we talked about for the visits. It also sends reminders for late invoices and quotes that I've sent. How many times have you sent a quote to a customer and then you've been really busy and you forgot about it? Well, Jobber never forgets, and Jobber will send follow-up quotes to that customer, and that helps generate a lot more work. And on the other end of the scale, if customers are late paying you, you can set Jobber to send automatic reminders so as you get paid faster. And while we're on getting paid, I'm going to tell you about another fantastic feature that will really change the way that you do business. An amazing feature that customers love, Jobber payments. What is that? Jobber payments is automatic payments collected via Stripe. Whenever I'm out doing a quote for a customer, I'll request a card on file, either a debit card or a credit card, and it's stored securely in a wallet. After myself or one of my techs goes to do a job, we'll mark that job complete, and the system automatically takes payment via Stripe, which is very secure. 2 or 3 days later, that money is then in my account. No longer do I have to worry about chasing payments or making sure that jobs are paid for, because I know the Jobber has done it. And best of all, customers love the convenience of it. If you want to try Jobber out, it's free for 14 days if you use the link down in the video description. Plus, you get 20% off for your first 6 months. Just to let you know that if you use my link, then it helps support this channel and makes videos like this possible.